So after that baby, usually quite a number of pregnant. After pregnant, because of the 6 month people, you have to get a balance, call it a one shift. So after delivery baby, quite a number of women will align that automatically. Also a lot of people, after delivery, you cannot align. You call it a baby hood. Not that affected boundaries or numbers problem. So if you connect a packet of tools, lower back will affect the two.
Yes, so I know what it means, and I always get like 19
Relax out.
not really. Kind of. Yeah, emang sakit banget.
Nice background. Blue screen. So because of the net,
Yeah.
this side a bit tense, and this side also very tense. It's due to the net problem.
Yeah,
This
very
side also very stiff. And this side also a bit stiff. Up, into, out.
Come adesso.
Okay, now because of that, now you can see the pencil light is due to the neck pressure that will happen. So the lower back boundaries or cities or lower back over the affected neck move and numbers is due to that. So neck is over the part here is due to that. So it's part of the side. It's the whole body. Still a little bit not yet finished, at least you can see the difference.
Nah, ini penting ya. Ini penting ya.
So that's because of the actually the problem is the fact that it's called a sleep.
Nhưng mà hít ra hai cả mình
Yeah, it's a high angle. High angle. So actually after that is deep inwards. That's why you got this part of that.
Tapi dari juga gitu.
Oh, sakit tambah dari atau jadi tambah sakit.
Both.
Nah, nanti
And that's not good.
nanti dua tuh bilang, Tahu yang mana satu kiri, yang mana satu sakit apa?
Ow!
Apa saya mau gadget stiker? Ini yang ini macam stiker kita nanti dia hilang. Jadi sakit lah. Nanti boleh ada jauh kita bawa. Kita 5 minit nanti semua hilang. Geli sakit, sakit kan dia. Nanti aduh, nanti ibat. Positif.
Aduh,
Nafas, tembus. Nafas, wah, dengan penyemprotan.
Baru 5 bulan tahun lalu.
gara-gara
Ya, ini gara-gara kurang itu.
Ya, apa? Tutup mata sama tengok, coba dengar.
Kok kamunya kakak, gak ada. Tadi saya lewat di Sunda.
Masuk. Sekarang kita organizer yang sini jadi sini langsung satu jadi sakit.
Gitu.
Ini stiker bagus, bukan yang saya lupa. Ini stiker ada jamnya. Berarti 3 pack, free 1 pack. Ini ada bilang masakan 3 menit. Kalau mana sakit, tak boleh letak. Kalau rumah sakit, letak rumah.
Oh gitu.
Jadi oke lepas pegangan.
Iya.
Jadi kaki bengkok, lipat sampai dada. Lepas itu bisa sholat. Hasil tidak fit. So lepas itu tadi sudah dada, split. Habis itu Allah buka. So this is about this.
Iya.
Because this part L4,
Iya.
L5, S1. So position. So because of low leg compression bounding is compressed. So this leg tendon same. From down up to 6. That's why sometimes the numbers go here and here. So now the geli sakit, 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 hilang. Mana sih? This pun sudah sempurna. Dan mau ini bukan sampai apa sudah masuk tekan. Last one. Agak santai ya. Good. Straight. So this one ada lana yang nak. Kalau ini pak, berarti yang lana yang this part. Aku ready.
Oke, sorry. Am I ready?
Nafas terus. Nafas terus.
Banyak ya. Soalnya
Sorry, santai.
Boleh ketawa ya sebentar. Dia bukan nak dia beli dia. do you feel?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
And after your breathing, you also feel more good.
More.
Just like you hear the sound pop pop on the hips part of it.
Yeah.
Over here, the sound over here also. Pop. Then this one down with here. See this? More. Pop over here. And this one, more. And press it. No more feeling. 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 Ah, we have to buy this sticker. We call it yellow sticker and green sticker. And follows it. So when you like, push stop. Then you just push for 3 minutes. Done. Then you do that. And sit down for
I'll fix your hair.
Salon. 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 Okay. So soft. This side as well. And soft. This side. So smooth. This side as well. So like hair. That's that. Wow. Oh, I have to use my hand to stop. No, the weather. Now you can see the light. You can see the light. And then it's the light. So this one, and with the horizontal, this your neck position is still the light. Right? Just now the resting on the shoulder. And lower back, see to the third side and low.
Yeah.
And then to the front. That's why your neck is open because of the
Yeah, on the side.
on the one side. So what I do, let me see. So you're within these 2 weeks time to change your lifestyle a bit. No prostate.
Oh, yeah.
No prostate. 10
Your set.
yeah. 2 weeks inside no prostate. And standing, no long shot for a while. You put some like when you stand like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Try this. And after that, don't carry any object.
Yeah.
And this 2
No
weeks,
exercise.
this 2 weeks, if possible, these 2 weeks, what the extreme squat is.
Yeah.
Because what? Whatever the captain I like, you need 2 weeks to set strong. And also diet. Usually when the guitar done already, you want to fully protection is the diet for 2 weeks and the 2 weeks more exercise. This is called the set strong for your body structure. So happy.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Okay. Lagi-lagi. So you go back and forth?
Yeah. My second home.
Second half.
Okay, next food. One, two, three. Next. Next. One, two, eat. Ah, bukan ada patient sana. Okay, next. Next. One, two. Next, Peter. Jurado. And imported. Dini.
Belum kan? Udah. Udah ya.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for a wonderful time. Yeah, mesti.
Sinempel.
Oh iya. Dia mau nempel. Iya kan? Enak, enakan banget. Ini ya. Oh, dulu. Oh.
Dia nyatu, ini dia nggak nyatu.
Haha.
Jadi nggak boleh kasar ya?
Iya, Ibu.
Oh. Iya, posisinya.
Di panai loh.
Rasanya udah enakan banget, ternyata memang cuma waktu sekali jadi ya siap-siap memang beda dari online gitu kan. Jadi dari kita bisa benar-benar gitu bisa keren. Sudah enakan banget bang ya. Sampai aku juga masalah sampai toilet juga kan. Jadi benar-benar ini rasa biasanya nanti udah enak banget sih. Jadi can't wait to ngerasain terapinya tuh kalau gimana ya. Soalnya kalau aku cukup parah nih masalah back pain.
Yes, let's go. It's a family guy. So I changed. I really want to change my. I prefer to change. How long already?
1 month.
Oh, recently only. How you injured? Don't know.
I think maybe sometimes I just like this.
Oh,
Sometimes maybe I did the yoga.
okay.
Maybe press so much.
Okay, so this one first. See, usually 110. This is called flat.
Yeah.
And up 90 degree. This is
Yeah.
called position. And up from the top, it's called flat. So this one is called bounding.
Yeah.
Bounding. Some is like this. Mid is like this. And here, come up. Over here. So this is called the composite of the ligament. Boleh. Ada video kan? Okay. Ini nak macam ni sakit? No. No pain. And now is no pain. It's look like a banyan, like a milk banyan. It's a composite. You take a lot of calcium?
Yes.
Too much already. This is too much of calcium I can see. This is called like the bone apa? Tulang muda.
Tulang muda.
Dan ini terlalu, ini tulang muda. Kalau makan terlalu banyak kalsium, sini pun sakit. Ini pun ada sikit sakit kalau terluka.
Mau pakai nggak? Pakai aja.
Because they said for avoid the heat, so we just did that one.
So I think you see this nothing. It's only composite extra. Another one is called like that's more. Actually, it's no pain. If you go down slightly, very painful because of the nerve line to hit you. That's really very painful. So this one you can go for, Dr. Complete.
Complete.
Forget what I call the cosmetic surgery.
Promotion.
With an injection. Injection some steroid to be soft. So it is a tulang muda. Kalau injection dia tapi hilangkan. Like a scar, same like a scar. But no pain much.
Oh, mau.
So, here. Nah, angkat ikan. Cuma berbeda, kambang. Game, oh. Nah, lewat lampu terus naik.
Tuh, dia mau lihat foto nih. Lehernya katanya.
Selalu leher sakit.
Iya.
Kalau come, situ, come.
Jadi ini seperti
Ya, suntik dia ialah dia bukan apa masalah dia ialah lalu pada lalu. Mesin.
Belum tahu. Kayaknya sih nggak apa-apa.
Dia suka main itu football.
Oh, main football tapi pagi bola main apa paling sakit masih itu. Apa dia bagus. Oke.
Udah ya?
Kaki bola.
Kan kaki bola. Kuat ya semuanya. Bunyi ya. Bunyi ya. Wah.
Ya, jangan terus
Kakinya jadi kamu tidur, badannya tidur. Nah, nanti masnya mau coba bunyi pinggangnya.
Oh.
Lepasin.
Ini udah lebih. Sebenarnya.
Saya pernah tuh dibunyiin sini, ini kan gara-gara tangan nggak bisa ke belakang ini. Tapi 2 kali itu nggak baik juga. Akhirnya yoga sendiri baik sendiri. Tapi suruh orang begini di kayak gitu bahkan sakitnya dari itu Ayung. Ayung tahu yang beli kue ya. Iya. Saya ke situ 2 kali, disuruh sekali kan. Saya nggak mau balik lagi, sakitnya sampai nangis. Kemudian saya nggak mau lagi. Terus udah nggak, kamu sekali lagi deh pasti baik. Saya nggak gini lagi deh. Nggak gini lagi, terus dia nggak tahu gimana lagi deh. Aduh sakitnya sampai kuat 3 minggu loh. 2 kali itu saya nggak mau lagi. Nah kalau yang ditarik pakai handuk, saya juga udah pernah sama dia juga. Tapi si itu Master Chris nggak sakit sih. Dia nggak sakit.
Kalau posisinya benar, nggak sakit.
Iya,
masih sama sama masih belum mau